Hi everyone, this is going to be a nice and short video over here. I just want to show you quickly how I protected my my fluid pump from scratches and oxidation. So let me just show you over here a little bit. If you look right there, I have some oxidation right there. I hope you can catch on camera. It's right there, see? Kind of darker and lighter blue. And right there in the middle here, this is how it should look like. So guess what? I took some paper right here. I folded around here with some tape. I have some tape there. And if you look over here, I went all the way till here. Till about here. This is what happened here. All the way till the end. I just left the rubber, which I condition occasionally. And the valve, I left it there. And that's pretty much it. So this is going to be a pretty nice and short video, but this is one tip with the newspaper or just the magazine paper, how you can get your pump protected so it doesn't fade and it doesn't scratch and it can last a little bit longer and it looks more prettier. I hope you found it useful. Like, subscribe, and take care.